Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you on how to put a limit order here in OKX. Now let's make our monitor bigger. Now in order for us to buy an asset at a lower price, we need to choose the limit order. Again, you will only use limit if you want to buy an asset at a lower price, okay? Let's use Bitcoin as an example. The current price of Bitcoin is 66,429, right? Now, let's say we want to buy Bitcoin if it falls below here, okay? So let's say we want to buy it even cheaper. Now, for this example, we will use 64,600, okay? So let's input the price here, 64,600. All right. Now, the next thing that you need to do is to identify the amount of money that you are willing to risk. Let's say in this trade, I just want to risk $100. Okay? Now, automatically, it will also convert the $100 to the amount of Bitcoin. Okay? So the total amount is like this one. Now, let's buy Bitcoin. Okay? So let's click this one. There you go. So automatically, it placed a limit order here. Okay, so it placed a limit order at around 64,600. Okay, so let's remove this one so you won't get confused. All right, so there you go. But sir, let's say I want to add a take profit and a stop loss order. So how am I going to do that? Now let's cancel this trade again and let's show you the process. Okay, for example, you wanted to buy Bitcoin at a lower price, let's say around these areas. So let's change this one again. 64,643.3. Okay. Now we will only risk $100 for this one. And the next thing that you need to do is to check the take profit and the stop loss here. So let's check this one, take profit and stop loss. Now, let's say we want to take our profit if Bitcoin would continue to go up at these levels, and we want to sell our position if Bitcoin would continue to fall at around these levels. Okay, so we have here the different numbers. So what we need to do next is to put 67,179. All right, so the price of our take profit, and we will place that in the market order. It means it will automatically place your order in the current market price. Okay, and for our SL or stop loss, let's say we will place it at 63,929. Okay, let's say zero point 0.3. If the current price of Bitcoin would fall into this level, automatically we will place an order at the current market price. Okay, now let's click this one, buy BTC. Okay, so there you go. It created a limit order. And if you're going to look at this one, you have your stop loss and you have your take profit levels here. All right. So it means if Bitcoin would continue to go up, your take profit would be triggered. If the price of Bitcoin would continue to go down, then your stop loss would be triggered. All right. So that is limit order for OKX. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you learned something from this short tutorial. So see you guys next time. Bye.